kami sa DIY.
Okay. Wait. Ito may DIY. Pahangin na kami, guys. On our way there. Or on way or DIY. DIY naman!
The Good Bag Reusable Eco Bag is a fantastic alternative to single-use plastic.
Yeah. Ano yun? Second floor ba? Second floor. Yeah. Wala, pwede rin sa CV style. Dan o. Kaya daman na na yung kanang guest. We're here. Ate na.
May cancer ko.
Ito. Tik.
Ako sa niya.
Bato. Tik. Bato. Tik. Bato. Tik. Okay, we're done.
Sorry, baliktad eh. Sorry.
Ay, nani na.
Nani yan? This is how we play. I go to do the piano, but I know this.
This is ORD, Mr. DIY in the Philippines. Mr. DIY is in Luzon.
Twinkle, little.
Gina, ikaw.
DIY offers a wide range of products for everyone's needs at the lowest prices. DIY Radio.
Picture tali.
Imong kamot na tayo man.
Tika. Okay. We're going to bag. Tap. We're going to 7-Eleven. Going pa. Happy Nayo. Tanaw na mila to, guys. Ay, magsaba. Ayun ba ka na balan. For us, guys, matabok na balik.
Oh.
We're here. Me, guys.
Careful, kundi di ba?
We want Oh my god. So guys, mutabok lumitabang.
Pray to God,
Pray to us.
Pray to
Uy, no. Hold my hand.
Be with us. Hold my hand and don't let go of me.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
We're here.
Stop. Wait. Ayun.
And yes, we are finally safe.
We are safe.
Me.
Ikaw ano yung pupuk na?
Ya, kaya ikang kayo pa lang.
Gawa na nila ko lang.
Ya. Magic. Uy. We're going home, guys. Ano ba ba, no? We're finally safe. Bye.